In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk upload products on Shopify. If you've got a lot of products to add to your store, doing them one by one can be really time consuming. Bulk uploading with a CSV file lets you create or update many products at once, and Shopify has built-in tools to make this process smooth. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click so you know exactly what to do when you're on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and you're on the correct store. Once you're in, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard. This is the main control center for your store where you can manage everything from orders to customers to settings. From here, we want to head straight to the product area. On the left-hand side, look for the navigation menu and click on products. This opens the products page where you can see all the items currently in your store. At the top of this page, you'll find options like add product and, importantly for us, import. Next, click on import. This tells Shopify that you want to bring in product information from a file rather than creating each product manually. A dialog or pop-up window will appear, prompting you to choose the file you want to upload. Shopify expects a CSV file, so make sure your product data is prepared in that format before you start. If you're unsure about the correct structure, it's a good idea to download a sample CSV from Shopify beforehand and use that as a template. Now, click on Add File. This will open your computer's file picker. Navigate to the folder where your product CSV is saved, select it, and confirm. Once your file is attached, Shopify will show its name in the dialog so you can double-check you chose the right one. After selecting your file, click on Upload and Preview. Shopify will process the CSV and show you a preview of what's about to be imported. Take a moment here to review the details. Check that product titles, prices, and other key fields look correct, and that columns are mapped as you expect. This step helps you catch any formatting issues before they affect your live catalog. If everything looks good in the preview, you're ready for the final step. Click on Import Products. Shopify will start bringing in all the products from your CSV. Depending on how many items you have, this can take a little time. When it's done, you'll see your new products listed on the products page, ready for you to organize into